New variant is raising questions about the safety of large gatherings, just as many organizers are seeing conventions return. KTVU's Jana Katsuyama joins us live with the variant's impact on events here in the Bay Area. Jana.
Andre, I spoke with one nonprofit that decided to postpone their big annual fundraiser tomorrow. And other organizers are saying that they are watching the situation very carefully and they plan to follow state and local health guidelines in the coming weeks.
Health officials say the Minnesota resident who tested positive for the Omicron variant had attended a large anime convention in New York City last week, prompting organizers to post this tweet Thursday urging the 53,000 attendees to get COVID tests. The warning comes just as conventions and large gatherings were beginning to return.
When you have a cluster of over 50,000 people, it's going to happen.
Steve Wyatt organizes and promotes Comic-Con events throughout Northern California and says the Omicron case was not a surprise.
One thing you got to realize with anime shows, the audience is younger. And unfortunately, a lot of the younger people have that feeling that, I'm strong so I can take it if I got sick.
But Wyatt and many others are disappointed the new variant is dealing another painful blow to convention and event organizers.
I make 100% of my income on social gathering, whether I'm selling at a show or putting one on. So we just went almost 2 years without an income, and everybody in our industry did.
We just decided that we couldn't do the event.
On Thursday, Calvester Stanley, president of the Boys and Girls Club of Oakland, announced they are canceling their Friday town ball fundraiser because of the rise in COVID cases in Alameda County and the discovery of the Omicron variant in the Bay Area. That postponement is a blow to their bottom line.
We have gotten as much as 60% of our total revenues in the last 6 weeks of the year when people are most philanthropic.
San Francisco, which relies heavily on convention revenue, was seeing a rebound for December and 2022.
This month in December, we've got 3 groups in at the Moscone Convention Center that start next week. For 2022, we're going to be probably 75% higher than 2021.
SF Travel CEO Joe D'Alessandro says so far there have been no cancellations, and convention organizers are waiting for more data on the Omicron variant.
They are going to be especially cautious, in some cases doing more protocols than are even required by the city or the state. So we're pretty confident that we're going to be able to go forward.
And D'Alessandro says that many event organizers see San Francisco's high vaccination rate and their strict safety protocols as a benefit. Certainly yet another challenge as people are trying to make plans.
Yeah, giving people pause as they try to make those future plans going forward. Janet, thank you. Meantime.